Here in the Memphis area, we treat three main turf grasses. We have zoysia and Bermuda, which would be our warm season grasses, and fescue would be our cool season. Fescue, unlike zoysia and Bermuda, doesn't rejuvenate and grow on its own or spread on its own, so to say, by stolon or rhizome growth. Fescue has to be seeded in order for it to spread and thicken up your lawn. Here at Herbi, we offer fescue renovations, also known as overseedings, which allows for your fescue to thicken up each year that you get a seeding. For our fescue customers, we offer overseeding each fall. You could also hear this term fescue renovation. What this allows is for us to reseed the turf in order to help thicken it and fill in any bare spots you may have in your fescue lawn. We offer this for fescue and not our Bermuda zoysia customers due to the way that fescue grows, as it only spreads by seed, not by roots and by shoot growth above ground. If you are a fescue customer and you see that your lawn is getting thin or has bare areas in it, please give our office a call and we'll gladly send a professional out to evaluate your lawn and get you scheduled for a fescue renovation in the fall to help thicken your lawn back up to its original luster.